Hi all, welcome to TCM Education. My name is Michael and I'm an analyst here on the channel. In this video, 3 minutes, I want to discuss one of the most troubling issues for traders, new traders, old traders, veteran traders, how to control your stop losses. This is super important, especially for new traders, because as a new trader, you don't have any learning curve. You're going to start losing money, getting to deep losses. Then you're not going to get into the learning curve at all because you're going to lose your account. So let's see this example from Friday. Bitcoin was trading before the Trump's tweet at all-time highs level above 122,000. And you can see here on the chart that it built a channel where the Bitcoin broke out over 122,000. The stop loss was at the lows of the channel 120,800, so that's roughly $1,200. Let's translate it quickly, roughly 1.2%. Again, I'm rounding up the numbers here. So let's say you put to work here $100,000. Your risk is $1,000 and $200. $10,000, $120, and so forth. So it's scalable. Having said that, on top of that, you need to trade according to some rules. Okay, so you have an entry, you have a stop loss, respect your stop loss, use a stop loss in the platform. Now what happens in this case when you don't use a stop loss in the platform? Doesn't happen very often, but it can happen. Take a look. That's the flash crash that happened on Friday. Now, the topic of this video is not the flash crash, is how to find the right entry points and the right stop losses. And again, the idea here is that you want to trade with very, very little risk in order to be able to take advantage of winning trades that are not blockbusters, but every loss that you're going to incur is going to be a very, very small one. So in this case, I'm going to point you now to the second setup, which is this one. Now the risk is no longer 1%, is more than 3.5%. How do you manage and trade this setup? Is it a long pattern? Is it a short pattern? Basically, the idea here is that you want to learn how to trade and teach yourself how to trade with very little risk. And one of the basic points is to trade with setups of under 1% of risk.